But I would say the problems today are harder than ever when it comes to client due diligence. And a study that we did recently speaks quite powerfully to this. We found from compliance leaders that we surveyed, 42% told us that they're working overtime. And it's no wonder, because you'll all be familiar with the fact that money laundering, fraud, regulations, compliance, etc., has just got so much harder. Every week there's a new regulation, there's a new bit of red tape. And we've responded to that by adding in more and more process. We've heard from you that you feel underappreciated. You feel like there's a perception that you're a blocker to business from fee earners, from business owners. We've heard from you that you're stressed, quite frankly. It's a difficult job. We really, really do sympathize that, having spent a few years in the industry and spoken to so many of you. But what we also found is that the existing tools that are out there, and I include Third Fort in this bracket, the existing tools are just simply not good enough, which has been something that Jack and I have found really, really frustrating. Now, why is it that 42% of you are stressed and the existing tools aren't helping here? Well, there's a few reasons. Number one, the existing tools, they still leave you spending a lot of time with this back and forth. You're gathering documentation, you're asking your clients to fill out endless questionnaires, you're getting evidence, you're going back to your client to get more evidence. It's incomplete, and round the houses we go. With that, it's impossible to give a good client experience. Therefore, you get clients that grumble, clients complain, this gets escalated, your fee earners complain about all of this frustrating extra work that we have to do. But I think worst of all, the risk is still hidden. Fraudsters, money launderers, they've got more sophisticated. We've heard stories about how you lay awake in the middle of the night worried that you've missed something, or worried that someone in your team didn't follow a process, and it's just so stressful for everyone involved. And so given this, Jack and I, 15 months ago, we sat down and we were reflecting on all of this, and we were frustrated, frankly. We were frustrated that the platform that we had built, what we were offering to you and partnering with you to try and help solve some of these problems, was nowhere near good enough. And we looked across the industry of other suppliers, and their technology wasn't good enough either. So we decided to do something about it. And 15 months ago, we reimagined what Third Fort could be if we were to start again from scratch. And over the 15 months since there, we went about rebuilding Third Fort.